We're at the North Hills Farmers Market this morning, trying to see if we can find some vegetables. Our normal guy is not here. Come on, let's see what they got.
No, I mean, like, remember last time when we made baskets? Well, that one was bad.
Here. I'm not seeing a whole lot of fresh fruits and veggies today.
Yeah, I like your apple.
What do you see, Padma? Looks like a lot of other stuff. And some dogs. It's a pretty poodle. Some baked goods. There's a gluten-free Irish baker, which is cool. Come on. Got some cool music going on. Oh, and you're pooping. What are you doing? All right, let's see. Anything? Oh yeah, that's a pretty boy. Where's the farmer? Come on. There's some fruits and vegetables, but they are not typically organic. So far, I'm not finding a whole lot, which is disappointing. Let's see if our Thai people are here. See you. There we go. This might be our only option today. So let's see what we can get. Oh, pea shoots. The yard-long beans are pretty good too. So we might this might be our only option today, which is pretty sad. What do you think, Padma? Okay, so we ended up getting pea shoots, the yard-long beans, and some of the ridge gourds, which I was told I can cook similar to zucchini, but I need to use a peeler to peel off the edges before I cook them because they are too rough to eat. This is another one I've gone to regularly, Cedar Rock Farm, so I may grab some of his really cool squash. Look at that. You don't run across that very often. What did we get? What did we get? We got some pea shoots. She's feeling it. We got some of this multicolored squash, which is pretty cool. And we got some of the long beans I'm not going to pull out. And these other really interesting types of squash. It's more of like a Thai Asian variety. And I got all of that for $17, which is not too bad. So now I've got to figure out what I'm going to do with it after we go on a hike. Padma, are you ready to go on a hike? Yeah. Say we'll see you later.